Mini Cooper wipers change episode. Hello guys, welcome to the garage. It's winter season and today we're going to be showing you how to replace your wipers, that way you're ready when the rain comes. Or if you live in the coastal area like I live in San Diego and I get that marine layer early in the morning and I definitely need the new wiper blades. All you're going to need is your wiper set and a small flathead screwdriver. So let me show you how to take off the front wipers. You're going to need your flathead screwdriver. And there's a small tab right here. That's what you gotta lift up. Simply put your screwdriver right there and pry up. It'll come right off. And what you want to do is push the wiper all the way away from you and it should come right off. And that's how you take off the old one. Now let's go ahead and replace it with a new one. Something that's good to know, they are coated. LJ2, that's going to be your driver's side, and LH6 is going to be your passenger side. Lift your tab, go back over here, and same procedure. Just slide it in, slide it into that hook, make sure it's secure. There you go. If you're not able to put the tab back down, you haven't pulled it all the way towards you, let it click. There you go. Fresh new wiper blade. Let's go ahead and do the other side and then I'll show you the back. Now on to the rear wiper blade. This one, right here, right where it swings, there's a couple of clips and a little peg or a pin. Pretty much what you want to do is place it at an open angle. Put your thumb right here and simply press kind of in that direction at the angle that it's sitting on, and you will see right there, that's the little peg. I don't know if it'll focus. That's the peg right there. Let's see if I can get it to focus. That's the peg right there. Now when you want to place the new one, you know where the pin is. Just go ahead and slide it in. Click it in and you should be all set. That's it, and you've just replaced your rear wiper. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We'll see you next time and keep on motoring.